Right now, a piece of human technology is flying through a wall of radioactive plasma at 400,000 miles per hour, surviving temperatures that should instantly vaporize it into dust. And the footage it just beamed back to Earth completely breaks our understanding of physics. Astrophysicists from NASA to the European Space Agency are currently tearing up their textbooks. Here is the impossible problem. The surface of our Sun is a blistering 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But when you move away from the surface, into its atmosphere, the temperature explodes to over 3 million degrees. Imagine standing near a campfire, and as you walk away into the freezing woods, the air suddenly burns you alive. Scientists are genuinely baffled. Are we completely wrong about how stars actually work? To understand why this is so terrifyingly weird, you have to know what the Sun normally is. It is a giant, contained nuclear fusion bomb. Gravity crushes hydrogen atoms together at its core, creating outward pressure. Simple, right? But recently, the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope captured the most detailed images of the Sun's surface in human history. We expected a smooth, glowing orb. Instead, we saw violently boiling convection cells, each one the size of Texas. This is where things get strange. Because those Texas-sized bubbles of plasma aren't just boiling, they are hiding a dark secret. Stay with me here, because what we found inside them is rewriting science. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why so many people are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the classified cosmic truths of our universe, hit that follow button right now. We are uncovering this together, and you won't want to miss what's coming. This mystery officially became a detective thriller in 2018. NASA launched the Parker Solar Probe, the first mission designed to physically touch the Sun. In April 2021, Parker crossed the critical boundary into the solar atmosphere, the corona. Instruments were screaming with data. Scientists expected a smooth flow of solar wind. But instead, they found something impossible. The magnetic field lines of the Sun were violently zigzagging, flipping 180 degrees back on themselves in fractions of a second. They called these anomalies switchbacks. And as Parker flew deeper, it realized something massive was hunting in the plasma. By the end of this video, you will understand why this changes everything. The leading theory for these impossible temperatures and violent switchbacks is something called magnetic reconnection. Picture the Sun's magnetic fields like millions of giant, twisted rubber bands stretching out into space. As those Texas-sized plasma cells boil, they twist these rubber bands so tight that they snap. When they snap, they violently reconnect, releasing the energy of billions of nuclear bombs in a single second. This unseen snapping is what superheats the atmosphere. It is a satisfying answer, but the data showed something else, something that opened a terrifying new door. But here is where it gets crazy. Even with magnetic rubber bands snapping, the math still doesn't add up. There isn't enough energy to reach 3 million degrees. This has triggered a massive debate in the astrophysics community. A competing theory suggests the Sun is covered in billions of invisible nanoflares, miniature explosions happening constantly, everywhere, all at once. Some fringe physicists are even suggesting that exotic particles, or dark matter trapped in the Sun's core, might be interacting with the plasma in ways we can't measure. Just when we thought we understood our local star, the mystery deepens. I genuinely want to know what you think. Is our Sun superheated by giant snapping magnetic rubber bands? Is it covered in billions of invisible nanoflares? Or is there an entirely unknown exotic physics happening right in our own solar system? Drop your wildest theories down in the comments right now. Seriously, let us debate this below, because the scientific community is split right down the middle, and your guess is as good as theirs right now. This isn't just an abstract space debate. This directly affects how we see our place in the universe, and our survival. You see, those snapping magnetic fields don't just stay at the Sun. They launch solar tsunamis called coronal mass ejections directly toward Earth. In 1859, a solar storm known as the Carrington event hit us, setting telegraph wires on fire. It If a similar storm hits us today, triggered by these unseen solar secrets, it could instantly fry the global power grid, knocking out the internet, GPS, and banking systems for years. Understanding how the sun superheats its atmosphere is the only way we can predict these planet-killing storms before they happen. But there is hope. Scientists around the world are now combining data from the Parker Solar Probe with the European Space Agency's solar orbiter. For the first time, we aren't just looking at the sun, we are diagnosing it like a patient. Artificial intelligence is now being fed this brand new, ultra-high-resolution data to predict solar flares before they even erupt from those boiling Texas-sized cells. Every time Parker dives closer to the sun's fiery heart, we gather pieces of a puzzle that is 4.6 billion years old. Science is rapidly progressing. We are no longer victims of our star's violent moods, we are finally learning to read its mind. But this isn't the only impossible mystery hiding in our solar system. If you thought the sun's 3 million degree atmosphere was baffling, wait until you see what the James Webb Space Telescope just found lurking in the crushing, metallic core of Jupiter. Or the bizarre, perfectly geometric hexagon storm spinning at the top of Saturn. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fire. The more we look at the cosmic objects we thought we knew, the more we realize how much is hidden in the dark. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.